Police seeking Trelawney man in gun-tooting video. Woman dies in Mandeville bike crash. Devices suspected to be explosives found in Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police in Trelawney are seeking a man seen in a video making remarks against the constabulary force while being in possession of a gun. Being sought is 33-year-old farmer Jason Wright. The police stated initial investigations have determined that the video was recorded at his home in Troy District in the parish. In response to the viral video, the police stated that an early morning operation was conducted at his residence today, where two of his relatives were taken into custody for questioning. A woman is dead and a man is in hospital in serious condition following a bike crash along Greendale Road in Manchester. The deceased has been identified as Jody K. Young. Miss Young died after the motorbike on which she was a pillion was hit by another vehicle. The vehicle did not stop. The man who has been hospitalized was the driver of the bike. The police stated that they found more than 300 devices that are suspected to be explosives at a premises on Darling Street, West Kingston this week. The devices were found during a joint police-military operation. In a release, the Corporate Communications Unit (CCU) stated that experts are currently conducting chemical tests to ascertain the nature of the substances found.